Hey gang, today we're going to fix a small problem on the XL that pretty much all XLs get, and that is problems with the idle control valve. I was at Broadford and the old Nugs started doing weird idly things, and I asked a few guys and they're like, yeah, your idle control valve's probably buggered, cracked, things like that. It's actually in the XL regulations, you're allowed to block it off. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're doing this. I'm pretty much just relaying information that all the gurus have told me. I'm no expert at this. I asked the XL page guys what's the deal with the idle control valve, and as usual I got mixed answers. Some were just 2-word replies, some were just pictures of bits of metal and things like that. But then, you know, the few helpful guys came out of the woodwork, like our mate Shane, who actually sent me pictures with things circled and an explanation of what the deal is and how to fix it. So this is from Shane, and thank you very much, mate, for your help. So what is the idle control valve? It is this guy here. It is obviously some sort of vacuum activated valve that lets the engine know whether it's drawing air in or whether it's cold. I don't even know how it works, whatever. But it senses vacuum and then sends it to the ECU and tells the ECU how to make the car idle. Problem is they crack and go wrong and all that sort of stuff. So all we have to do is pretty much block it off, but we do leave it plugged in so then the ECU doesn't crack it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very simple. Here's our valve. It has a connection. It's just got a little clip on the electronics, so just give that a yank. Take that puppy off, and then you can use a big Phillips head screwdriver. Get these puppies off. And then, probably don't even need to disconnect that, to be honest. All we need to do is put something in between this and that. So just something to block that off. One of the guys said he used a Coke can, which is actually probably a pretty good idea. It's just a bit of tin, you just cut that to shape. But you can pretty much use anything. What I have done, because I'm me, and I 3D print bloody everything, I just made pretty much the exact shape of this. That covers it up, blanks it off, bolt that back on. But I reckon we could pretty much use anything. Let's try. All absolutely worthy contenders, but I might just stick with my little 3D printed piece. So let's put it on. Okay, so now, because that's not controlling the idle anymore, we now need to do it manually. So in here, there's a little plastic cap we've got to get rid of, and then there's a screw that we can adjust manually our throttle body to adjust our idle, like an old school car. That's about the extent of it, really. We just kind of try and dig this little plastic thing out. This is probably going to take me about an hour to get out. Yeah, dig this plastic puppy out, and then we just adjust it up, and oh, here we go, almost. Yes. Let me get some pliers, it's almost out. There's our toolbox. Come out without breaking anything else. Ha! Out, and then in there is a little Phillips head. So we can just put a Phillips head in there. Now adjust our idle up, and I imagine on the back of our throttle body, yes, I can't show you that, but on the back of the throttle body, that screw just pushes on that and just adjusts our throttle body open or closed to adjust our idle. That's it. I told you it was simple. I told you it was a quick video. So, yeah. Go do that to your XL, and then apparently that solves problems. Apparently they idle really badly cold, but once they're warmed up, it's all good. So I guess get the car warm, adjust your idle screws so the car's idling around your, I don't know what they idle at, 800 RPM. Get that adjusted and then you're good to go. That's all. Thanks guys, see you next video.